How is space debris ownership handled legally? Imagine a piece of space junk floating around, forgotten and useless. Who really owns it? That's a tricky question that involves international laws and space rules. When satellites are launched, they are owned by the country or company that sent them up. Even after they stop working or break apart, they still belong to the original owner. This means if someone wants to remove or salvage that debris, they usually need permission from the owner. The main laws that cover space activities are the Outer Space Treaty and the Liability Convention. These treaties say countries are responsible for their space objects and must pay for any damage caused. But they don't clearly say what happens to debris once it's no longer active or controlled. This creates a gray area. Some believe that abandoned space debris could be considered abandoned property, which others might claim or remove. But this idea isn't fully accepted or written into space law yet. Removing debris without permission can be risky. If a satellite owner sees their debris being taken away, they might object. Identifying who owns small pieces of debris is also hard, especially after collisions create thousands of fragments. When satellites crash, they produce debris that can't be easily traced back to a specific owner. Liability for damage is complicated because proving fault in space accidents is difficult. New technologies like nets, robotic arms, and harpoons are being developed to clean up space junk. But these raise legal questions. Removing debris without the owner's consent might be illegal under current laws. This makes international cooperation necessary. Countries need to work together to create clear rules for debris removal that respect property rights but also protect the space environment. In terms of satellite systems and orbital dynamics, this legal ambiguity makes it harder to plan for sustainable space use. Without clear rules, efforts to deorbit satellites or remove debris can face legal hurdles. To keep space safe and sustainable, new international agreements may be needed to clarify ownership and streamline debris removal. So, in short, space debris is legally owned by the country or company that launched the satellite. But because laws are not fully clear on what happens when debris is abandoned, it complicates cleanup efforts. Solving this legal puzzle is key to keeping space safe and ensuring satellites can operate smoothly in the future.